Hey there, Brad Bolt with the AmeriGuard Insurance Agency. I wanted to take some time and give you some reasons why you shouldn't buy your home insurance online. Number one, you're likely not dealing with a professional. You might be dealing with somebody that's very inexperienced that might not even be licensed. They're probably not licensed in your state, so they don't know the nuances of the current and home insurance policies. They might have a guideline to go off of in their call chart, but they're not necessarily a professional. So are they really going to look out for your best interest? Do they know how to properly value your home? Most of these online home options, whatever online formula that they use to develop a value estimate of your home, that is not always accurate. If you look at information on your home, such as square footage, maybe year built, maybe style, maybe number of bathrooms, is your basement completed? It's not always accurate information. A lot of it's just guesswork. So do you want to base your home replacement on guesswork? Not a good idea. Number two of that is you don't know what questions to ask. I could probably give you a list of questions to ask or what coverages that you need for car insurance. Home insurance is a completely different animal. There's all kinds of different package options, optional coverages that you need to have on your home insurance policy that any insurance professional is going to automatically add them. The person at the call center might not be that helpful. They might not even care, to be honest. So you don't know what coverage to ask for. You might not know to ask for a replacement cost. You might not know to ask for a replacement cost on your roof. You might not know to ask if there is a separate wind hail deductible. You could have a claim on your home and find out that your wind hail deductible is $5,000. You didn't ask that when you took it out. You just wanted the cheapest possible policy. Well, now you got it, but you are paying $5,000 to replace your roof. So number two is you don't know what questions to ask. You're not a professional. This person that you're speaking with isn't a professional, so that's not a good idea. Number three is what's trending now in the home insurance market are limitations to the home insurance product, specifically in the state of Minnesota. The limitations all revolve around the hail damage that we have in this state. So the limitations are guarding against the expense of the insurance company for paying out related hail damage, mostly for your siding, your roof, your windows. Now, what the limitations do is take coverage away from your home insurance policy. You can often buy them back through endorsements. Yes, it is kind of insurance for your insurance, but it is important to have because we do get hit with hail so much in this state. So you're going to want to have these coverage endorsements. Is the online call center person going to add these limitations? Maybe, maybe not. They might not even know they exist because, again, they are specific to the state of Minnesota or the state of Wisconsin or whatever state that you might be in. So in order to protect yourself, you're going to need to add these endorsements on that buy coverage back that the limitations take away. The common limitations are limitations to undamaged siding, which basically says if two sides of your home are hit by hail, the sides that are hit by hail, they're going to be covered underneath your regular policy. But the sides that are not hit by the hail, they're not covered. So if you want to buy that coverage where the other two sides are covered, you're going to need this endorsement. Same for the roof. It's very, very specific. So it is regardless of if there's fading on those other two sides or if there's wear and tear, you would be responsible for replacing those undamaged siding or roof. So it's very important. It's also very common for insurance companies now to add a wind and hail deductible, and some of them are quite large. Some of them, like a reference, can be $2,500, $5,000. I've seen them up to $10,000 for a wind and hail deductible. That's just far too large. So you would have to ask about limitations. In summary, cheaper is not always better, specifically with home insurance. If you call a a direct company and call a call center, you go online and you're looking for the cheapest available option, you might get the cheapest option, but it's not going to be the best home insurance for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave comments. I will respond to any comments that you have. Like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of this content, and we're going to see you the next time.